Electric vehicles represent the future of transportation, and honestly, when they work properly, they're incredible. Silent acceleration, lower running costs, and the satisfaction of driving without emissions. There's a lot to love about going electric. But here's what the dealerships and flashy marketing campaigns don't always tell you. The transition to electric isn't as smooth as many buyers expect. According to Consumer Reports' latest findings, electric vehicles have 79% more reliability problems than conventional gasoline or diesel vehicles. So, if you're considering making the switch to electric in 2025, let's have an honest conversation about which EVs might leave you questioning your decision to go green. 10. Hyundai Ioniq. 5. Software growing pains. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 is genuinely impressive. Futuristic design, ultra-fast charging capability, and an interior that feels like a lounge. With a starting price around $43,000, it seems like reasonable value in the electric SUV segment when everything works properly. However, early Ioniq 5 models have experienced some software-related issues that can affect the charging system and various vehicle functions. Some owners report charging interruptions, infotainment glitches, and occasional issues with the advanced driver assistance systems. The 12-volt battery system, which supports many vehicle functions while the main battery focuses on driving, has shown some premature failures. When this auxiliary battery fails, it can leave you stranded even if your main drive battery is fully charged. At nearly $50,000, these software growing pains become more concerning. While Hyundai's 10-year warranty provides good coverage, frequent dealer visits for updates and calibrations can be time-consuming and frustrating for daily drivers. 9. Ford Mustang Mach-E 2025. Ford's Mustang Mach-E represents a bold step into the electric future, combining Mustang performance heritage with SUV practicality. Starting at around $46,995, it's competitively priced, but the ownership experience reveals why the value proposition isn't as strong as it appears. The Mach-E has experienced some reliability challenges that reflect Ford's learning curve with electric technology. Software updates have been frequent, and some have temporarily caused issues with charging, climate control, and infotainment functions. The Sync 4A infotainment system, while feature-rich, has shown some stability issues. Door handles and charging port mechanisms have also experienced occasional failures that require dealer service. Expensive repairs that can easily cost $1,500 plus outside of warranty. When you're paying nearly $47,000 for a vehicle, frequent software issues and mechanical failures become particularly frustrating. Some owners report inconsistent charging speeds at public stations and ongoing connectivity problems that affect daily usability. 8. Genesis Electrified GV70. Luxury complexity. The Genesis Electrified GV70 brings luxury refinement to the electric SUV segment with beautiful interior appointments and impressive performance. At around $66,950, it represents significant value compared to German luxury electric SUVs, until reliability issues surface. The primary challenges involve Genesis's still developing electric vehicle service network and some early reliability concerns with complex luxury systems. Air suspension, when equipped, has shown some reliability issues similar to other luxury EVs, with repair costs often exceeding $2,500. The advanced infotainment and driver assistance systems occasionally require software updates that may need dealer intervention. Some owners report issues with the heat pump system, which is crucial for winter efficiency and can cost $3,000 plus to replace. At nearly $66,000, finding qualified EV service becomes critical. Limited Genesis dealer presence in many markets can extend service times and significantly impact ownership satisfaction, making this premium investment less attractive than it initially appears. 7. BMW iX German over-engineering. The BMW iX represents BMW's vision of electric luxury. Sophisticated driving dynamics, impressive range, and technology that pushes boundaries. With a starting price around $87,000, it's positioned as a premium offering that should deliver flawless reliability. However, the iX's complexity has led to some reliability concerns that are particularly troubling at this price point. The advanced iDrive 8 system occasionally experiences glitches that require system resets or dealer intervention, unacceptable for a vehicle approaching $90,000. Some owners report issues with the air suspension, charging door mechanisms, and various electronic systems. BMW's extensive use of touch-sensitive surfaces throughout the interior can be problematic when these systems malfunction, and repairs often cost $2,000 to $4,000. At $87,000, buyers expect German precision and reliability. Instead, many iX owners find themselves dealing with frequent software updates, electronic glitches, and repair costs that can easily exceed $5,000 annually for out-of-warranty vehicles. 6. Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV, MBX Complexity. The Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV features the stunning MBX Hyperscreen, a 56-inch curved display that spans the entire dashboard. Combined with air suspension and luxury appointments, it represents the pinnacle of electric luxury. At around $104,400, it's priced like a luxury flagship should be. Unfortunately, this technological sophistication comes with complexity that can impact reliability in ways that are unacceptable at this price point. The MBUX system occasionally experiences software crashes that require complete system reboots. Imagine paying over $100,000 for a vehicle that freezes like a smartphone. Air suspension components have shown premature wear in some vehicles, leading to repair bills that can exceed $4,000. The charging system occasionally experiences communication errors with certain charging networks, which is particularly frustrating during long trips. At over $100,000, owners rightfully expect perfection. Instead, many EQS SUV owners report frequent software updates, electronic module failures, and door handle malfunctions that leave them questioning whether they received adequate value for their six-figure investment. 5. Audi e-tron GT Performance Complexity. The Audi e-tron GT shares platform technology with the Porsche Taycan and offers stunning performance with luxury refinement. At around $106,000, it's positioned as Audi's electric flagship, competing directly with the most expensive luxury vehicles. However, the e-tron GT's complexity has led to reliability concerns that are particularly troubling given its six-figure price tag. The advanced cooling systems required for high-performance electric operation have shown some early failures that can cost $5,000 plus to repair. Some owners report issues with the air suspension, charging system integration, and various electronic modules. The advanced driver assistance systems occasionally require recalibration after software updates, meaning frequent dealer visits for a vehicle that costs more than many people's homes. At over $106,000, buyers expect flawless reliability and minimal maintenance. Instead, e-tron GT owners often face repair bills that exceed $8,000 annually, specialized service requirements, and depreciation that can exceed $30,000 in the first year alone. 4. Volvo XC40 Recharge Swedish software struggles. Volvo's XC40 Recharge brings the brand's legendary safety focus to electric driving with Google-based infotainment and solid build quality. At around $55,000, it's positioned as a premium compact electric SUV that should offer Swedish reliability. However, software integration has been challenging for many XC40 Recharge models, creating issues that are particularly frustrating given the premium pricing. The Google-based infotainment system occasionally experiences connectivity issues and requires updates that may temporarily affect vehicle functions. Some owners report problems with charging scheduling, climate preconditioning, and mobile app connectivity. The one-pedal driving system has also shown some calibration inconsistencies that affect driving smoothness, requiring dealer recalibration that can cost $300 plus per visit. At nearly $55,000, these software reliability issues become more concerning than they would be in a less expensive vehicle. When you're paying premium prices for Swedish engineering, frequent software glitches and connectivity problems feel like a betrayal of the brand's reliability reputation. 3. Rivian R1T Startup Scaling Challenges. The Rivian R1T offers unique features that no other electric vehicle provides: genuine off-road capability, innovative camp mode, and practical truck functionality in an electric package. Starting at around $76,000, it's positioned as a premium electric truck for adventure enthusiasts. However, as a relatively new company charging luxury prices, Rivian faces challenges that more established manufacturers have already overcome. Service network availability is severely limited, and parts availability can be problematic, sometimes requiring weeks or months for repairs. Some R1T owners report software glitches, charging system issues, and problems with complex features like air suspension and tank turn mode. Quality control has been inconsistent as Rivian scales production, with some vehicles arriving with paint defects, panel gaps, and electronic issues. At $76,000, buyers rightfully expect premium build quality and reliable service support. Instead, early adopters essentially become beta testers for systems that established automakers have refined over decades, often facing repair costs that can exceed $10,000 for major component failures. 2. Tesla Model Y. Volume production issues. The Tesla Model Y is one of the world's most popular electric vehicles, offering impressive performance, advanced autopilot features, and Tesla's extensive supercharger network access. Starting at around $50,000, it's positioned as a premium electric SUV for mainstream buyers. However, Tesla's focus on rapid production scaling has led to quality control issues that are particularly concerning at this price point. Paint quality, panel alignment, and interior fit and finish can be inconsistent between vehicles, with some owners receiving cars that require immediate warranty work. Some owners report problems with door handles, window regulators, and charging port mechanisms that can cost $1,500 to $3,000 to repair outside warranty. The advanced electronics occasionally require software updates that may temporarily affect vehicle functions, including basic features like climate control. At $50,000, buyers expect consistent build quality and reliable operation. Tesla's service network, while growing, can be overwhelmed in some markets, leading to extended wait times for appointments that can stretch weeks or months for non-critical repairs. 1. Cadillac Lyriq. American electric luxury struggles. At the top of our list is the Cadillac Lyriq, GM's flagship electric luxury SUV. With its 33-inch curved display, Super Cruise capability, and elegant design, it represents Cadillac's electric future. At around $60,000, it's positioned as an accessible luxury electric SUV. Unfortunately, the Lyriq has earned the distinction of being Consumer Reports' least reliable vehicle for 2025, with a predicted reliability score of just 5 out of 100, well below every other vehicle surveyed. At nearly $60,000, this level of unreliability is simply unacceptable. The problems center around incredibly complex electronic systems and software integration. The massive curved display occasionally crashes, Super Cruise can malfunction completely, and various electronic modules require frequent updates that can cost $500 to $1,500 per dealer visit. Charging system integration issues, climate control problems, and door handle malfunctions have been widely reported. When these systems fail, repair costs can easily exceed $5,000, and GM's EV service network is still developing in many markets. The most frustrating aspect is that when everything works properly, the Lyriq is genuinely impressive. But at $60,000, reliability issues that affect basic vehicle functions like starting or charging are completely unacceptable, making this one of the worst values in the electric vehicle market. I want to emphasize that electric vehicles represent an important and inevitable future for transportation. The environmental benefits, lower operating costs, and incredible performance capabilities make EVs genuinely appealing for many families. If any of these vehicles genuinely appeals to you, that doesn't mean you shouldn't consider them. Just approach the decision with realistic expectations about potential software issues, service availability, and the fact that EV technology is still rapidly evolving. If this video helped inform your electric vehicle decision, I'd really appreciate your support with a like and share. Your experiences with any of these EVs, positive or challenging, help other potential buyers make informed decisions, so please share them in the comments.